In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add specific posts in the WordPress navigation menu. If you have particularly important or popular posts, adding them to the menu can draw attention to them. This is especially useful if you want to showcase specific content that aligns with your site's goals. To get started, log into your WordPress website. Hover over Appearance and click on Menus. Here you can add various menu items over here, including pages, custom links, formats, etc. Now, we don't find an option to add posts. To do so, first go to Screen Options. Make sure to check the box beside the posts. And now you can find an option here to add posts to the navigation menu. Click here to expand it. And now checkmark the boxes besides the post that you want to add to the navigation menu. Once selected, simply click on Add to the menu. You can see the post has been added here. You can change the navigation label name over here. Once you're done, let's now save the menu. And we'll visit the site now. You can see the post has been added here successfully. And this is how easy it is to add specific posts in the WordPress navigation menu. Before leaving, you can also learn how to add a reading progress bar in WordPress posts. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.